Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 2x. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about the u equal to negative number 2 sine 2x dx. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0 in here, so we put number 0 to go in here to find the value of u, and u equals to number 1. When s equals to b, so I will put b go in here to find the value of u. You got about u equals to number 1. Now number 0 we change by number 1, b we change by number 1, this one we change by u square, sine 2s ds we change by du over negative number 2, and we see that the bounds on the top equal to the bound on the bottom in here, so 1 equals to number 1. Because the bound is equal, so the value of this one you got about 0 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.